Okay friends, best advice for life. Use Gemini for your SAT prep. Here's what you do. Type in gemini.google.com and then here create SAT test for me. Enter. And guess what? Now Gemini is creating your personalized SAT test. And for English and for math. Okay, so here you see the reading and writing module, and when you scroll down you see the two math modules. And let me show you some sample questions. So you press start to start. I recommend to show the correct answer after each response and then start your test. So here's a fancy question with some roots. Say we're going to select A. Oh dang it, that was wrong. But it tells you why it's wrong and also tells you what the right answer is with explanation. And the kicker is, if that's not enough for you, you scroll down like so and you click on explain answer, and then look on the left side, it gives you a detailed rundown of why B is the correct answer, more detailed than what's written here. Okay, so it'll be here in a second and it will tell you exactly what you need to know with the background of roots and rationals and all of that. And it's a little slow here right now, but trust me, it'll work. Thanks for watching.